IFITech. IFITech 1080p HD hidden camera requires no prior setting. Simply insert an SD card and plug the device into a power socket to start recording. Once the device is unplugged, the recording will cease. The recorded video content recorded can be seen by connecting the USB device to a computer or with an OTG connector to the mobile device. The surveillance camera is suited for monitoring staff at the office, warehouse, etc., or to keep an eye on movement elders and children in the family, pets, and more. The camera will start recording the moment it detects motion and alert users in case of any intrusion. Prices are around $20. 1 Anti-Spy Detector. This product is developed with excessive proprieties. It is designed to locate any transmission devices which are inside 35 to 40 feet of your location, such as hidden wireless cameras, digital audio recorders, wiretaps, Bluetooth, stealth headsets, and mobile network connecting devices. This product is straightforward to function and transportable, protects your privacy and business secrets and techniques to the most extent. It can detect 2G, 3G, 4G mobile phone SIM card bugs. It also can detect 1.2G to 5.8G wireless hidden camera devices, professional radio detection tools with a massive variety of frequency detection. Prices are around $129. Focals by North. The Focals are technically AR glasses. The product is designed to move notifications from your phone to your sightline. It's a bit like an Apple Watch for your face. These notifications include the date and time, the weather, text notifications, email, Apple News alerts, Uber notifications, sports scores, and more. Users navigate this content using the Loop, a ring outfitted with a nub of a joystick, which is meant to be worn on the index finger of your dominant hand. The headset also serves up information in a push notification, including incoming messages and emails. The Focals are fine-looking glasses, and in general, the tech works. Prices are around $600. Sgnl. Sgnl is the smart strap that enables you to answer phone calls through your fingertip. Using Bluetooth technology, you can connect with your phone or smartwatch with the Sgnl smart strap. Sound is transferred via vibration through your own body and is amplified by the rear chamber. As transmission is made through vibrations, there is no risk of harm to the human body. The Sgnl Smart Strap fits most watches and can even be used without one as a wrist strap. With a single hour's charge on the micro USB, you have a 7-day standby or 4 hours of talk time. The Sgnl strap works with both Apple Watch as well as Android Wear interfaces. The device is compatible with smartphones running Android version 4.4 and iOS 9 or later. Ghost Drone F100 GP. The Force F100 Ghost Drone is a great drone for several types of pilots. Its best features include the quiet flight for video enthusiasts, combining an onboard camera mount for GoPro Hero 3 and 4, with brushless motors. Surprisingly, there is a 1080p HD camera for its optics. Apart from being an agile speedster in the air, this drone is equipped with an advanced 6-axis gyroscope that allows it to stay on the balls of its feet. With the simple press of a button, the drone automatically stops dead on its tracks midair, much like a handy parking feature for UAVs. The Force 1 Ghost comes with an 1,800 mAh battery that provides up to 15 minutes of uninterrupted flight time. Prices are around $130. Lifecard Trailblazer. Lifecard is a concealed self-defense gun. The unique nature and layout of the gun is sufficient to make anyone curious regardless of its potential usefulness. The Lifecard is 22 LR, single barrel, a single-shot handgun that folds up to about the size of a credit card. Of course, it's a bit thicker than your Visa. The Lifecard is half an inch thick and weighs just 7 ounces. The whole gun is fabricated from metal. The barrel, bolt, and trigger are crafted from 4140 pre-hardened metal, and the body and handle are crafted from aluminum. The gun is machine billeted and is very eye-pleasing. The handle features storage for the extra bullets. To unfold or fold the gun, you need to pull a slide latch that unlocks the handle. The technique is easy and the latches are smooth to use. Prices are around $290. Smartphone Spy Lens. If you want to take a picture discreetly with your phone, the smartphone spy lens will help you instantly increase your level of espionage. This slightly creepy, periscope-like device connects to your smartphone's camera with an included magnetic ring. By using a rigid attachment method, users can easily rotate the lens, getting a different view with each rotation. Internal mirrors let you take shots at a 90-degree angle, so no one around you knows what you're shooting. Prices are around $19. Walabot DIY. Walabot DIY is the world's only wall scanner that visually distinguishes between metal and wooden studs. It detects and traces pipe and cable routes while providing a level of accuracy and ease of use that traditional stud finders simply cannot match. It even detects the movement of rodents, making it a very popular tool for exterminators. The device is based on advanced 4D radio frequency technology and can see 4 inches into drywall. It also provides dual modes. Images mode shows a full visual of the pipes, wires, and studs inside a wall on the smartphone screen, while expert mode displays the raw radio frequency data. Prices are around $160. Echo Loop. If you're a power user of the virtual assistant, it brings a new level of convenience as you can summon not only Alexa but also Google Assistant or Siri wherever you are without having to reach for your phone. Crafted from black titanium-coated stainless steel, the Echo Loop has an external action button that summons Alexa when clicked. It includes 2 microphones so Alexa can hear you, and a small built-in speaker so you can hear the virtual assistant's response. It comes in 4 sizes. Prices are around $129. Sammy Screamer. Sammy Screamer is a wonderful motion alarm from Bleep Bleeps that connects via Bluetooth to your iOS or Android device through the free downloadable app. When the Sammy Screamer device is moved, it sends an alert directly to your mobile to inform you that it has been moved. The cool thing about Sammy Screamer is that it can be an alert for almost anything you want to protect. The options are endless. And when you don't want to use Sammy Screamer, just put it in sleep mode. It's super easy. Compatible with iOS and Android devices, with a coverage of up to 30 meters and a coin cell battery that survives up to 3 months at a time. It's a wonderful little device to protect and keep an eye on your crucial day-to-day items. It features a mini lanyard and a magnetic back, making it easy to attach or hang to almost anything. Prices are around £34.